Hello everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is Jextoro and today we're going to be opening some packs of Battle of Legends, The Light Revenge. So I'm super excited because we're going to be opening some packs from Battles of Legends. This pack contains foils. So let's go ahead and open them. The first one is going to be this one. And we are going to be getting Raid Raptor Rodent Strix. Nice. I like this one. And then Performapal 5 Rainbow Magician. And then Camion, the Time Lord. Super Heavy Samurai Steam Train King. Nice, another trains. Nice, Mermail Abisteus. For Mermail decks. Nice. I have read and those are kind of popular now. So next package is gonna be nice Lightsworns. Lila Lightsworn Sorcerer. Nice for Lightsworn's deck. And an Elementar Hero Nova Master. Good. And then Odd Eyes Lancer Dragon. Oh good. And oh good, I wanted this for my Spellcaster deck, my Dark Magician deck, Spellbook of Secrets. Good. And then Gladiator Beast Tamer Editor. Good. So I'm going to put this because I want it, and this one because go with your friends. And then go ahead. Yeah. Transmodify. I think this you use this card for ABC deck. Number 11, Big Eye. Good. I was looking for this card as well. And Witch of the Black Forest. Oh, those memories. And then Wolf, Lightsworn Beast. And then Double Evolution Peel. Good. Let me put here this one because I was looking for, and that one. I would like to do a Lightsworn deck. I think that could be very cool. Oh, nice! Archfiend Zombie Skull. And then DDD Super Doom King Dark Armageddon. That looks pretty dope. And then Gaia Dragon, the Thunder Charger. Awesome. And Bujintei Tsukuyomi. Nice. Oh, Crystal Wind Synchro Dragon! Nice! So good! I got my dragon! Oh, good. Yeah! Okay, let's see what else. Lila Lightsworn Sorcerers. And then another Elemental Hero Nova Master. And then Anti-Spell Fragrance. Oh, this one is for you can use it against your, what's the name? Anti-Pendulum deck. Oh yes, I wanted this one. Spellbook Magician of Prophecy. I was looking for this one for my deck. And then Odd Eyes Venom Dragon. Nice. Fusion Pendulum Monster. And this one. So good. This is a pretty good opening. I'm liking this one. Oh dude, nice. Galaxy Eyes Prime Photon Dragon. Nice. And then Space-Time's Transcendence. Gladiator Beast Andavata. And then Garot Lightsworn Warrior. And then we're going to have a Denko Zenka. Nice. About 6 more packages to go. I'm getting here Twilight Ninja Jogen. Oh yes! Destiny Hero Dreamer! Nice, I was looking for my deck of Destiny Heroes. And then Red Raptor Final Fortress Falcon. Nice. And then Felice Lightsworn Archer. Oh, Trishula! Nice! Trishula Dragon of the Ice Warriors. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this is a pretty decent, a pretty nice box. let me tell you, so many good cards that I was looking for, I'm getting them from here now. So we got Sadeon, the Time Lord, and then Brayden, Hand of the Lightsworn. Nice. More Lightsworn. Super Heavy Samurai Helper. I might be able to do my Lightsworn deck. And then Perform Odd Ice Dissolver. And Destiny Hero Dystopia. Nice. For my deck of Destiny Heroes. Let me see something. Destiny. Good. Nice, nice, nice. And we got Super Heavy Samurai Fist. Another Lightsworn, Lumina Lightsworn Summoner. Lumina. And then Odd Dice Lancer Dragon. Ooh, Vision Hero Adoration. And Gladiator Beast Noxious. Nice. I hate those beasts. The Gladiator Beast decks in Duel Links are so annoying. So annoying. Anyways, let's go. Abyss Actor Curtain Racer. And then Red Raptor Satellite Cannon Falcon. Wow. And then Infernoid Depth Yari. Nice. This one looks so good, Infernoid. And then Judgment Dragon. And the Whale. White Aura Whale. Nice. Looks interesting, this one. 2 more packages. Can we get another? Nah. Let's see. Red Raptor Satellite Cannon Falcon again. And then Performable Odd Ice Minotyrus. I think this one got banned. And then, oh yeah, Spellbook of the Secrets for my deck of Dark Magicians. And then we got DD Super Doom King Bride Armageddon. So long, that name. Oh, focus. Come on, camera. Focus, focus, camera. There you go. And then Gladiator Beast Tamer Editor. Again. We got one again already of those ones. Let's see what can we get. And we got another Lila Lightsworn Sorcerers. This is the last pack. What can we get? And another Lumina Lightsworn Summoner. And then Twilight Ninja Kagen. And then nice 100, number 107, Galaxy Ice Tachyon Dragon. Okay. And then, oh wow, nice PSY-Framelord Omega. What a way to end with this video. So good. This is so good. So, thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave your comments, give me your opinions about what cards I pulled today, if you like them, you don't like them. And see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.